The biggest tornado in history is believed to have occurred in May 2013 across the Midwest United States. The tornado measured 2.5 miles wide and tracked across 200 miles over the states of Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri. It caused the deaths of 24 people and damaged or destroyed thousands of homes and businesses. This tornado was larger than the one that occurred in tri-state area of Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana in 1925. The tri-state tornado had the unique distinction of being the longest track tornado, with winds traveling up to 73 miles an hour. This tornado was responsible for the deaths of 695 people and over 3,000 people were injured. It was a record-setting 2.5-hour tornado, traveling 219 miles and ending in the Indiana state. Hail and several other tornadoes were created by this tornado as well. Another notable tornado in history occurred in 1840 in the northern German regions of Heide, Eiderstedt, and Eisenerz. This tornado measured 4.2 miles wide and caused the deaths of up to 800 people. It was an incredibly destructive tornado measuring up to F4 on the Fujita scale. This tornado was arguably the most destructive and deadly since records first started to be kept in the 18th century. The town of Eisenerz also saw its population halved by the tornado. Even older tornado records suggest the Fujita scale measuring tornado of 1706 was much larger than the tri-state tornado of 1925. This tornado passed through northern France and the Netherlands, causing immense destruction wherever it passed. It is believed to have had a width of 6.2 miles wide and traveled over 130 miles. The tornado caused the deaths of at least 1,000 people, making it the deadliest tornado in history. It is also believed to have generated waves that caused damage as far away as the south coast of England. The oldest tornado on record is the East Lothian tornado of December 1721 in Scotland. This tornado measured 1.5 miles wide and traveled over 17 miles path length. It caused the death of over 40 people and destroyed many homes and trees. Even though it was not as large or as deadly as other recorded tornadoes, it is still an important part of what we know about tornadoes. Other tornadoes around the world include those that struck central India in 1993 and the Mwaki tornado of June 2007 in Tanzania. The India tornado had wind speeds of up to 60 miles an hour and was almost a quarter of a mile wide. It caused the destruction of almost 10,000 homes and killed over 260 people.